All right, my friends, it's a little bit later in the day, but you don't know that. I just had to spend a little bit of time dumping this and recharging my phone. But the vlog continues, and the next stop on the vlog is to go to the famous soup kitchen, the famous soup Nazi kitchen. No soup for you. No, but definitely soup for me. So here, we're actually just approaching it right now. All right, here it is, guys, the original soup kitchen. Very cool. And you know exactly what we're getting. We're getting that lobster bisque. We're only gonna get a small lobster bisque this time though. All right, my friends, I got my soup. This time, I'll actually be able to give you a look at what it looks like because, oh my Lord, is it delicious. But first, hold on a sec. Sorry guys, it's super loud here, super loud. So the next stop is I just need to find somewhere to eat this. And also, this building here, this beautiful building, I need to take a photo of it. I need to take a photo of it. So I'll put the photo that I take, like, right here. I hope you like it. But I need to take a photo of this building. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got an amazing picture. I'm really proud of it. I'll put it right here. I got the taxi cab and everything, and oh man, I think it's a great photo. Okay, so now we're continuing. We're gonna go to one of the squares where we can just kind of sit, and I'll show you how big the chunks of lobster are in this soup, because it's so good. It's the best soup that I've ever had by far. The only thing that I would take out of it is there's like little string carrots in it, like tiny little carrots. Not really a fan of it. I'm not against carrots, it's just the texture is kind of weird. But other than that, it's the best soup I've ever had. Okay, so guys, we're right near Broadway. Oh, has anybody seen the new Joker movie? Apparently it's god awful and it only made like $38 million in America. That's awful. All right, you've seen this place. Let's continue walking. Happy Horse. Happy Horse, I love the trot. All right, guys, so this will be split into two series, into two episodes. The daytime, the Central Park, all of that, exploring right now during the daytime. That's going to be its own vlog. And then after tonight, there's a couple gifts that I would like to get. You know, I haven't gotten my dad a gift from one of my trips in such a long time. I never really think about getting my dad something because I don't know, we're just old now, you know? I'm 33, but I think I'll try and get him a mug. He really likes mugs, so if I can get a mug for like under $10, I'll pick one up. But what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna explore a lot of the stores that are here in Times Square. We're gonna go to a bunch of the souvenir stores to see all of the random crap that they have. We're gonna investigate a couple stores. It'll be fun. We'll go through the stores in Times Square. But for this vlog, what I'm doing is I'm just taking photos. I'm just doing photos. I feel really bad because this is my last day here and it's the first time I'm actually doing photos. But it's good because I spent the entire time finding really cool places to go. So in this vlog, we're gonna be going to Rockefeller Center. In this vlog, we're going to be going back to that church. We're gonna be going back to that huge cathedral because I'm definitely taking a photo of that. I actually brought my tripod specifically to take a photo of that. I do want to take a photo of that at night though. Either way, I'm feeling good. Guys, thank you for watching my vlogs. I really appreciate it. Being here on my own and doing travel all around the world completely alone is rough, man. It's tough. And when you're on your own, you really need people to back you up, you know? And I really appreciate the backup. I really appreciate the backup. You guys mean so much to me. I don't care if I get 5 views or 10 views or 1,000 views or 1,000,000 views. The fact that some of you guys look out and appreciate my stuff and you look forward to my stuff coming out, that is really cool. Because as I've said before, I only watch YouTube as my entertainment. I don't watch TV. So I know that bond that you create with your favorite kind of YouTubers, right? So I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I always want to be a good example, and I hope that I inspire you guys, because that's what this channel is all about. Either way, we're right near a square where we can eat, and now let me show you the lobster soup features. Okay, so there's a nice little area here. This is in Times Square, but it's up. It's quite far up Times Square, but there's a nice little area here where we can sit, and I will show you my soup. Oh, it's so good. All right, guys, time to take off my camera and eat some soup. Oh, I'm so excited to show you this. Okay, look at how good that looks. Oh my Lord. Let me find a big piece of lobster. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. Nice big pieces of lobster in here. Oh Lord, is it so good. No soup for you. All right, soup taste test. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. If you're in New York, you gotta go to that soup kitchen. You gotta go to it. I'll leave the address of it in the description. You gotta go. But the carrots, it doesn't need carrots. It's got everything, doesn't need carrots. All right, my friends. Okay, so the plan right now is we are going to go over to that big cathedral. That cathedral's about 3 or 4 blocks down here, and I want to take some photos of the cathedral, and then after we will go to Rockefeller Center. We'll do some photography in Rockefeller Center. That'll be very, very cool. And then I think we might stop by the Nintendo store one more time and just pick up a pack of Pokemon cards. Maybe the pulls at the Nintendo store are a little better. Who knows? I don't know. But if I'm in the area, I'll do that. Another thing that we can check out too is a Lego store. There's a big Lego store that's right near the cathedral. So after I take photos of the cathedral, we'll go to the Lego store, and they have some pretty amazing things built there. I'm looking forward to showing you them. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, my friends, here I am. I'm at Rockefeller Center now, and very beautiful area. Very beautiful area. I'm gonna take some photos here, and then right over there is the cathedral. So we are going to take some photos of the cathedral, and then we're gonna go to the Nintendo store. All right. All right. So what do you guys think? That's a big building. That is a big building. Nice little area. I've decided not to go to the tops. I'm okay with my fear of heights, but I don't really want to exacerbate it anymore. All right. Kato. Kato, kato. All right, guys. So here at Rockefeller Center, all you need to do is go to the end of these fountains, right? And then you are going to find that cathedral. Oh my Lord, is it beautiful. I'm going to try and get a whole bunch of pictures of it. It just sucks with the amount of people that are everywhere, you know? It's really hard to take a good photo when there's people all in your photo, you know? But it's New York. What can you do? All right, I'm going to do the best with what I got and see what I can come up with. Okay, it's next to impossible to get a photo because of all of the people and all of the cars. I took one. I'll put it right here. That's the best that I could come up with, though. This building is huge. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the building, and then right around the corner is the Lego store. So we're gonna go to the Lego store. Look at its epicness. So amazing. Alright guys, I did my best. Here's the photo that I took. Not the best, but what can you do? Guys, right behind me is the Lego store in Manhattan. So let's go check out the Lego store. Alright. Bowser train. Fortnite, of course. What else do we got? Oh my. It's Captain America. It's a big Hulk. Statue of Liberty, of course. I wonder if they have any of the Japanese architecture kits here. Probably not. Oh wow, look at this. They have the Notre Dame Cathedral, Great Pyramid. This would be a lot of fun to build. I like pyramids. Oh, they do. They do. Himeji Castle. I love it. I love it. One day I'll build that. The problem with Lego I have is I love building it, but then what do you do with it afterwards, right? There's some pretty cool stuff here, though. Like Hogwarts Castle. Oh. Look at this. Wow. I hate this character so much. I have no idea who he is. I hate him. Very cool. I wonder if they have the, blacksmith. The blacksmith. That's one of my favorite sets. Let's continue searching. Oh wow, look at this. It's like an entire tree. Wow, so cool. Alright, let's see what else they got. Oh, they're doing Dungeons and Dragons now? That's sick. This would be a hell of a lot of fun to build. $3.59 though, wow. The piano. You know what I would lose my mind if I saw in here and I would buy it immediately? Bionicle. If Bionicle was here, I would immediately purchase it. Oh, this is really cool though. Helicopters. Very cool stuff. Oh, the Japanese Tranquil Garden. I love it. There it is. $109. It's also expensive. Expensive. Ninjago. I'm not seeing any Bionicle though. Oh, look how cool this is. One day when I have kids, I'm gonna make sure that I can get them really cool stuff like this. All right, let's take a look over here. This is really cool, you guys. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, there's a help person right here. You know what? I don't need your help because I'm at the Lego store and I know exactly what I'm doing. All right, let's see what else is in here. Very cool. Oh, I love it. Anything winter. I love it. Oh my goodness, a big Lego taxi. That's crazy. Very cool stuff. Oh, cool. Wow. All right, guys, let's go upstairs and see what the Lego store's got up here. They've got a whole bunch of really cool posters and stuff all made of Lego. It's crazy how they can make the Lego move like that. Okay. Very cool. If I was a millionaire, I would have a Lego city. I would definitely have a Lego city. Like a dedicated, like some people have their train sets and stuff like that. I would have a complete Lego city. Okay, there's a lot more up here. Let's check it out. Very cool. Obviously, if I could get anything, it would be this. How much is it? $8.49. $8.49. This one's very cool too. $3.99. Very cool. You know what I haven't seen though? I haven't seen the what's it called? The Deku Tree. Link's Deku Tree. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. They got the Sarlacc pit. Oh, I love Christmas stuff. Santa's post office. I love it. cool. We got lots of keychains. Okay, there's a ton of people in here, and I'm getting in people's way. So that's gonna be it for the Lego store. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. So if you want to have a good time in New York, come down to Lego store. I don't know what to tell you. All right, look at this guy. Pretty cool. Oh, I called for that. Don't go down. Don't go down. Damn it. Am I taking the elevator just to go down one set of stairs? Yes, of course I am. God, what? Why wouldn't I? You think I'm gonna walk down one set of stairs? I'm going on a 900-kilometer hike soon. I don't need to walk down a set of stairs to prove myself. All right, so let's head out of here. All right, my friends, I hope you had a lot of fun with that. That's the end of part 1 of my vlog today. The part 2 for the photography session will come out next Sunday. I really, really appreciate you guys. In the next video, we are going to be exploring Times Square. We're going to be going into a bunch of the souvenir shops, seeing what they got. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll do one last time in Times Square. It'll be a lot of fun. We're going to go to Miniso. We're going to go to the Nintendo store to pick up a pack of Pokemon cards. It will be an awesome day. So until then, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, I'm doing a contest right now where I'm putting an ugly stuffed animal somewhere in the vlog. If you can find it, write down the timestamp of when it is. And by the time the vlog series is finished, email me all the timestamps, and you will be the winner of a Crystal Game Boy Advance with a Mario Kart and Tamagotchi game. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you in the next vlog. Bye. All right, let's go into the Nintendo store, my friends. Good stuff. Thumbnail. Let's go inside.